Hey everyone, so for this video I'll be doing a quick tutorial on how to set your profile picture on PS5. So you have two options for this. Either you can use one of the avatars that PlayStation provides, or you can set a custom profile pic, and I'll be showing you how to do both of these. So the first thing that you want to do is go to your profile icon on the main menu on the top right, and then go to the profile tab. And one thing to note is the difference between an avatar and a profile picture. So essentially these are two different things. Your avatar is what everyone can see by default in games, on your profile, on community pages, but your profile picture can only be seen by certain people based on your privacy settings. So we can actually go to those privacy settings here, and on this top section, if we take a look, you can set those privacy settings to only let certain people see your profile picture and then also your real name. And you'll notice that it says close friends, so that's something that you can send as a request to someone. So basically, if we go to our friends list and we click on a friend and we go to the three dots on the right, you can send that become close friends request, and if they accept it and your privacy settings are set to what you want, they might be able to see your profile picture. So that being said, we can actually set that profile picture by going to edit profile and then going to profile picture. And now you'll see those two options. You have your avatar option or your custom profile picture. So we can try avatar first, and if we just click OK and go to the avatar tab, you'll see all the different ones that PlayStation provides. There's a pretty good selection here. Premium avatars are usually as DLC for certain games, so you might not have a whole lot of those, but luckily there's a ton of different ones here that you can choose from. And if you want to change it, you can just select it and it will change it, so you can go back to profile picture and you'll see that's updated. So your other option though is the custom one, and if you click on this box, basically it's just going to tell you how to do that. I don't recommend using the mobile app because it's pretty clunky and sometimes it flips your profile picture upside down, and I haven't figured out how to prevent that from happening. So I recommend going to my.playstation.com and doing it that way, and I'll show you how to do that in a second here. So you can just go to your web browser here and go to my.playstation.com, and once you're here you'll have to sign in, so you can just click on sign in button, and I'm gonna block out my login, so I'll be back in a second. So now that you're logged in, you can just click on your profile picture up top here and then go to, or actually just click on the avatar, and that's going to open up your profile page. And then you can go to edit profile, and from here you can upload your custom photo. So it's going to load, and once it's loaded you can just go to this profile picture tab here, not avatar but profile picture, click on edit and then change picture, and I'm just going to upload this garbage picture here just as an example, and you can just crop it, zoom in or out, and click on save, and then click on yes, and then OK. So that's going to set your profile picture. So watch, we'll go back to the PS5 right now. So now we're back on the PS5. You might have to back out of this page and then go back in to see the change, but as you can see, the profile picture has been updated to that weird picture that I put up. And of course you can change it back to avatar with a click of a button. And if we go back out here, you'll see the difference between the avatar and the profile picture like I was talking about earlier. The Spider-Man is your avatar, right? That's the small one, and your profile picture is what only certain people can see, and that's the big icon. So hopefully you guys learned something from this video. Pretty simple stuff, but I wanted to make a quick video just in case someone wasn't aware of how to make a custom profile picture, and then also the difference between an avatar and a profile picture. So hope you guys are enjoying the PS5 if you have one, and if you haven't gotten your hands on one yet, I hope you can get one soon. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope I could help.